News Defense.
If the Philippines does not act quickly, there is a significant risk that other nations will get ahead in the acquisition process. This could be an opportunity for the Philippines to rapidly enhance its maritime capabilities at a lower cost compared to purchasing new ships. Currently, the Philippine Navy still faces a shortage of modern warships adequate for securing its territorial waters. The addition of these former U.S. vessels could provide a critical strategic advantage in increasingly contested waters. Moreover, with the strong defense partnership between the Philippines and the U.S., there are opportunities for the Philippines to negotiate favorable acquisition deals similar to past transfers of Hamilton-class cutters. Therefore, the Philippine government and Navy must act decisively. Prompt discussions and negotiations with the U.S. government are crucial. The opportunity to acquire these vessels must not be lost to other countries, especially when the need for modern naval assets in the Philippines is at a critical juncture. Securing these ships would give the Philippine Navy the much-needed boost to face threats in the West Philippine Sea and reinforce national sovereignty amid regional tensions. Moreover, the acquisition of these vessels would send a strong signal about the Philippines' commitment to defending its sovereignty and protecting its maritime interests. This proactive approach would not only enhance the operational capabilities of the Philippine Navy but also demonstrate a willingness to confront challenges head-on in a time when national defense requires agility and rapid response. Securing these assets could empower the Philippine Navy to better position itself against external threats. Additionally, integrating these decommissioned vessels into the Philippine Navy would not only bolster its maritime capabilities but also provide valuable opportunities for training and collaboration with the U.S. Navy. Such engagements can enhance interoperability and strengthen the operational readiness of the Philippine Navy, allowing it to participate more effectively in joint exercises and maritime operations. In conclusion, the Philippine Navy must act swiftly and decisively to capitalize on the opportunity presented by the U.S. Navy's decommissioning plans. This is a critical moment for the Philippines to enhance its maritime capabilities, deter potential aggressors, and assert its sovereignty in the face of ongoing regional tensions. By securing these vessels, the Philippine Navy can not only strengthen its fleet but also reinforce its role as a key player in maintaining peace and stability in the region. The urgency of this situation cannot be overstated. Waiting could mean losing a vital opportunity to enhance the nation's defense posture. It is essential for the Philippine government, in collaboration with the military, to prioritize this initiative and ensure that the country does not miss out on the chance to acquire much-needed naval assets. The time for action is now, and the Philippine Navy must seize this opportunity to build a stronger, more capable maritime force that can effectively respond to the challenges of tomorrow. The United States Navy planning to decommission 19 warships in fiscal year 2025. The Philippines must take swift action to secure some of these vessels to strengthen its naval capabilities. Given the escalating tensions in the West Philippine Sea and recent aggressive actions by China, increasing the number of operational ships is an urgent necessity for the Philippine Navy. Several of the ships slated for decommissioning, including the guided missile cruisers USS Shiloh CG-67's Lake Erie CG-70, have served for over 30 years but still possess operational capabilities relevant to the Philippines' defense needs. While these vessels will retire from frontline combat roles in the U.S. Navy, they could provide essential combat power, logistical support, and surveillance capabilities that the Philippine Navy urgently requires. However, the Philippines cannot afford to be complacent. Other countries, particularly in Southeast Asia and the Indo-Pacific region, may also see this as an opportunity to acquire these